Today I'm going to teach you how to download the Wizz Air app. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your next budget-friendly getaway, having the Wizz Air app on your device makes booking flights, checking in, and managing your travel much more convenient. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Wizz Air website. Type in https://www.wizzair.com in the address bar. This brings you to the home page where you can access all of Wizz Air's services and features. Make sure you're on the official site to ensure you're downloading the legitimate app and not a third-party version. Once you're on the home page, scroll down to the bottom of the page. This is where companies typically place their footer links with important resources and additional options. Look for a section or link labeled Mobile App or App Download. This area is dedicated to helping users get the app on their devices quickly and easily. Next, click on the Mobile App link. This will take you to a dedicated page that provides all the information and options for downloading the Wizz Air app. The page is designed to make the download process straightforward, whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone. On this app page, you'll see options to select your device type. Click on either Android or iPhone depending on what device you're using. This ensures you're directed to the correct app store for your specific operating system, so the app will be fully compatible with your phone. Finally, click the provided link that appears for your device. If you selected Android, this will redirect you to the Google Play Store. If you chose iPhone, it will take you to the App Store. From there, simply tap the Install or Download button on the store page, and the Wizz Air app will begin downloading to your device. Once it's installed, you can open the app, log in or create an account, and start managing your flights directly from your phone. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Wizz Air app and you're now ready to book flights and manage your travel on the go. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.